Hey, it's Jeff from Sweet Sounds once again. This time we're showing off a brand new 2018 Ford F150 Platinum Edition that our friends from over at Chuck Spaeth in New Ulm brought over to get a little bit of work done. This vehicle has this gorgeous dark marsala interior in here, and we added a set of tablet-based headrest monitors. As you can see, they are a fantastic match to the factory existing leather. And unlike a lot of headrests, this system actually is based upon a tablet. So we can actually go ahead and take these tablets right out of here. And then when you get to your destination, you can take your tablet with you. It also has a DVD slot up there, so you can play downloaded music, downloaded videos, you can play games, and you can watch movies off the DVD. This system includes 2 headrest monitors with it, and of course with the premium systems, you'd expect all the nice things like a wonderful case to put your tablet into, so when you get to your destination, you don't have to worry about it getting scratched up. Very well made. And also a great set of wireless headphones in order to be able to listen to the audio system without having to interrupt the drivers in the front. So that's another great headrest video system installed by the experts here at Sweet Sounds, Mankato, Minnesota. Check us out on our website, sweetsounds.com.